Holy tits! Damn! This is a new record, folks. We're at $2,140,000,000,000, 277,000,000. Inflation has clearly not peaked. And we have CPI numbers coming out Friday. This could get interesting. Now, you must learn to play cycles in the market if you want to win in this environment. This is going to be going on for some time. Liquidity in, liquidity out, liquidity in, liquidity out to meet target goals of monetary policy. So the narrative around PFOF, stop buying the shit. They have a process they must go through to pass things such as PFOF rules that were created in 1995. The CFR must go through a process. It doesn't just happen. So get that shit noise out of your head. By the way, I have 25 spots left for anyone that wants to actually learn how to navigate these markets and make money. There's still time, folks, and I have limited spots left. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. I've kept limited spots open to allow those that actually want to learn an opportunity to do so. And, you know, it is what it is. I may come off as an asshole here, but I have to. Because if I don't, no one else will. And there's a lot of misinformation going around there that's costing you money. And if it's not costing you money, it's costing you time, which is money. So, again, limited spots. I don't care who you follow. I give everyone the same opportunity that comes in. And what do you have to lose at this point? The question is, what do you have to gain? Let's just see. Let's just see real quick. I just want to show you this. I mean, it's not like I'm sitting here taking member funds and pocketing it and going to Cabo every fucking weekend. I'm taking member funds, utilizing it, redistributing it into data products that we can use as a group to trade with to better our understanding of the markets, better understanding of trading, and, you know, potentially, and already has happened for a lot of people, improve financial situations. So it looks like my internet's down right now, so I'll have to show you the gain station later, but we're killing it. And it's because we're being consistent and we're looking at actual things happening in the real world, in finance. So again, this isn't a sales tactic. This is reality. I just want to show you. Go to 462%. Holy fuck. This guy. Jesus Christ. You know, he only made 23 grand today. Not a big deal. Not bad. 1 week, 22%. Nice. EDU, 47%. KC, 500%. Holy fuck, everyone. You're doing it. You're all doing it. I'm so proud. So proud. I mean, Jesus Christ. Okay. You get the point. Repo's at all-time high. 2140. Inflation's not going anywhere. It's going to be a long, drawn-out process. And there's tons of money to be made here in this process. So, again, thanks for watching. To all my followers and members, none of this would have been possible without you. Because, again, we're all contributing. It's a mutual relationship. And I'm excited for the future. Let's go.